welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be customizing another pair of Vans for my little brother Michael. I'm super excited to customize these, so let's get started. I have my desk set up for the project right now. All I have to do is decide what design I'm going to put on the shoes. So here's what they look like. They are the checkered Vans, so they have checkers on them instead of just like plain, and they're white checkers, not black checkers. I have done this kind before. I ended up painting in all the little spots that weren't like bright white, and it ended up looking pretty good, although I still have to decide what colors I'm gonna do. I have a picture already on my iPad of the shoes so I can kind of plan it out, and as you can see I have two little Pikachu ears right here because he does like Pokemon, so I think that could be a good starting point. Okay, I just came up with this design and I think it's actually pretty cute. I have Pikachu as a little reference here and all of his colors on the shoe, so I think that's pretty cute. Plus, the little ears in front are going to make it pretty obvious that it's the character, so I think he's going to like that. Before we get started, have to make sure the shoes are clean and cut off the tag. Now I'm going to set the shoes aside so I can mix my first color in this little cup here. And the first color is going to be a bright yellow. So I have an acrylic yellow here, but also a fabric paint yellow. So I'm just going to kind of mix them together and they should make a good color. But I'm also mixing fabric paint with acrylic paint because fabric is a little bit better for shoes. But this isn't going to be the perfect color, so I am going to mix a little bit of the acrylic in. Time to get started! These Pikachu shoes are looking so cute. All I have to do now is spray them with this clear acrylic coating, but before I do that, I have to let this extra paint dry and also make a few touch-ups. Now that they are dry, I'm going to take them outside to the grass and gloss finish them. It's been 24 hours of these drying in the garage and they're all finished. I have Michael in here. Are you ready to see your little surprise that I've been working on?
Yes.
And guess what? I finished your shoes.
Oh, no way.
Do you like them?
So cool. Of course I do. That's not even a question.
It's your favorite Pikachu and Pokemon. And of course, all the colors.
I love it.
Thanks.
I wear these all the time. Let's see.
Oh yeah, they're
how
so
well it
cool.
fits. I love them. I'm going to wear these a lot.
Oh good, I'm glad. Well, I think that Michael loves his new Pikachu shoes, and I do too because I think they turned out super, super cute. I'm sure he's going to wear them all the time. Now, before I forget, I want to make sure to tell you guys to comment some ideas for me to paint on my next pair of Vans, which I will hopefully be doing pretty soon. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!